Hello everyone. In today's class we are going to understand the comparison between Indian place value system and international place value system. So let us compare both systems. Here in this Indian system, let us write their places. It is having the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Now the places according to international place value systems are, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. See, till 10,000 both the system have same places. After this becomes, in international place value, becomes 100,000, after that million, then 10 million and 100 million. So in Indian place value system, once period have 3 places, then after this period every period has 2 places, like 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. But in international place value system, you can see every period have 3 places. So this is the first period, this is second period and this is third period. Now according to this, we see that a 5-digit number means till 10,000. The number is read in the same way whether we use Indian system or international system. तो इंडियन और इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में चेंज शुरू होता है 100,000 और यहाँ से लैक्स और 10 लाख, करोड़, 10 करोड़, then million, 10 million and 100 million. Till 5 digit there is no change, means both the systems are same. Actually, whether we are talking about Indian place value system or international place value system, both the systems are the different ways of reading and writing the numbers. इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम में हम नंबर को किसी और तरीके से रीड करते हैं, इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम में हम नंबर को किसी और तरीके से रीड करें. Now if we compare both these systems, so we observe, जैसे कि मैंने आपको अभी बताया कि 10,000 तक both the systems are same, बिल्कुल सेम तरीके से चलते हैं. जैसे ही हम नेक्स्ट पर पहुंचते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरनेशनल, हमारे पास 100,000 आ जाता है, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन हमारे पास लाख आ जाता है. सो अगर हम कंपेयर करना शुरू करें, सो वी गेट दैट 1 lakh इज इक्वल टू, you can see here, this is 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So we write it as 100,000. Then we have 10 lakh and 1 million, means 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. तो अगर हम दोनों systems को कंपेयर करके देखते हैं तो 10 lakh हमारे पास किसके इक्वल आता है, that is 1 million. These are the some results which we observe from these two place value charts when we kept one over the other. Now next 1 crore you can see from the chart. So 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Similarly, अगर हम थोड़ा सा और आगे चलें, we have 10 crore. So 10 crore किसके इक्वल है, 100 millions. So this is 10 crore is equal to 100 millions. So these are some results which we observe after comparing Indian and international place value system. Now how we can identify that a given number is in Indian system or is in Indian or international place value system. So let us understand with the help of exercise 1.4.